Does this photo look familiar? Well, I'm here to show you how to make a really easy and tasty meal with only 4 ingredients that doesn't take very much time and is really easy to meal prep. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you a lot of variations if you're vegan, if you want more protein. The ingredient list should be here now. And on top of that, it is going to run you $6.55 Canadian or $4.5 freedom dollars if you're in the USA. So let's get cooking. Okay, so first off, we're going to add about half a cup of jasmine rice, as much as you'd like if you're going to meal prep, some salt in there. Now our chicken. This is a very important step. You want to make sure you flip it over constantly and you don't burn one side, or else you might end up with the luxurious delicacy of medium rare chicken, which we are trying to avoid here while also making due time with our cooking. In the cost, I've accounted for an onion because I think it adds a really good crunch to your typical chicken and rice while also adding flavor. I'm not going to make you eat it. Don't put it if you don't want it. And you just want to make sure they brown and cook it up with the chicken. So next up we have the sauce. VH teriyaki sauce is my favorite. It's a pretty good cost and you don't need a whole lot, especially if you're going to meal prep. And then I like to leave it till it boils, and then you can start, mixing it around a bit more. As you can see, this piece of chicken, nice and cooked, and it also has all that sauce cooked onto it, so you can make sure it's not going to soak into the rice.
Let him
Now that you're done cooking the standard version of the meal, there are more ways you can spice it up. If you're feeling a little bit more luxurious, I like to add an extra chicken breast on certain days. And if you're vegan, I highly recommend swapping out the chicken for bell peppers. Bell peppers are expensive, but it is an amazing addition. I would not recommend adding potatoes. I've made that mistake a few times. I wouldn't suggest it. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the meal. It's really good, and you can swap out the sauces with whatever you'd like. VH has a ton of options. Make your own sauce if you're looking for less calories. And that's all I have to say for today. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe.